What should I call you? Summer?
Summer's fine. Yeah.
Summer. Okay. Summer, thank you so much for joining this meeting. Myself, Akbar Ali. My name is Akbar. And in here, Sakib Hassan. He reached out to you and he is my team member. As he told me that he already worked with your YouTube channel. And right now, today's meeting topic is we are going to deal how we can improve your website traffic, organic traffic, right? To top ranking. Okay, all right. Now, before more discussion, can I share my screen to show you something? Because Sakib already shared with me some spreadsheet what he going to do for you.
Yes, please. Tell me what the next steps are, what you're proposing for 90 days.
Yeah, so now I have to explain one by one. As you can see here, 3-month plan already he designed. If I go into audit report sheet, Sakib already audit your website, whole website, that type of issue and errors facing in your website, so we can fix them, everything, on page, technical, off page, everything. So if I going to 3-month plan, first week he can do for you for your website. He will complete your full website audit, how many errors, how many issues, and which places you have to touch and management and fixed, that type of place he will do audit. And then fix technical issue. Once he get all of the issues like your weak point, website weak point, that type of sections he will fix in the first week. Let's jump to the second week. In second week, he will do site speed and performance optimization. In your website, he will optimize your speed up and also site optimize. Also improve core web vitals. And also after finish his work, he will submit you everything. Before and after, send you the screenshots. Then you can easily compare how was the picture and what he done. Now, if I go into the third part, number 3, he will do for you keyword research on page optimization. That means, as you said, that your focus is, your main goal is you want to rank your website on Google search engine on the top, right? When your customer or audience will search on Google with any kind of keywords, any kind of sentence, they can easily get your website on the topper. So that's why to ranking your website, he will do on page, that means keyword section. On page SEO. Now let's jump to the this month last week. First month last week he will do schema markup and UX improvement. That means your website design. If you see something wrong in your design, then he will make it user friendly. He will not change your website content. He will not touch your website content, but he will make it technically user friendly. So it was the first month work. Now if I jump to the second month,
I need to ask some questions in between. So can you hop back to the other screen, please?
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Okay, so I can see that we would benefit from week 1 and week 2.
Yeah.
Now, when we go to week 3,
yeah, 3.
I've done the keyword research on my end for our business because I've been with them for almost 10 years now. So I'm very familiar with what we need. Okay. So that part has been done.
Okay.
Now, we may not, have a mapping strategy, but we have our own way where we came up with this information. So as far as the on-page SEO enhancements, I could see that being beneficial as well.
Okay.
So my question is, I guess, is some of this has been done, some of it we may not want done.
Okay.
So can we choose what of these, say, weeks that we want to implement?
Sure.
Because we have kind of an order of operations. We have a small budget and we need to make sure that we're tackling the most important things first.
Okay, I understand. So after finish our meeting, if he send you the spreadsheet, then you can choose by yourself like which week you want to select. As you said, you already done the third week, right? SEO, that means keyword section. So that means you can skip that one. So I think after finish our meeting, Sakib, he will send you first month, second month, third month, almost in here 12 weeks. So say for example, you can choose 7 weeks, right?
Perfect.
Weeks. And then
so I will take this information and I will decide what will be best for us, and I will kind of rank them in my order of importance to accommodate Sarah's budget. So this is okay. We don't have to go through it week by week. I can read.
Okay. Thank you so much, because it will be good.
But I did want to talk about the reports. So can you possibly pull up the report that was sent to us? And then I wanted to make a comment. I'm probably the most technically advanced person on our team of 6.
100%. If you invest your money, then you will get advanced person.
Yeah, I need to be able to explain this to the team. Okay. So there may be some times where I ask you, when you submit the report next time, can you give me a narrative, like a written explanation of what was actually accomplished? Because sometimes those screenshots, they're helpful for me because I can understand them, but my team does not understand. So if we could get a written form to explain even just bullet points of what was accomplished during the time period.
Okay, thank you so much, Sakib. He will keep it in mind next.
Mhm.
Okay, Sakib said that he already shared with you that previous project worksheet, but as you said that if you mark integrate, then it will be easier to understand your team.
Can we pull that up so we can just review
হ্যাঁ
it?
ভাই দিয়েছি দেখেন
Okay, sure. Also, I can share my screen to show you actually why you
Mhm,
want
yes.
to update, right?
Perfect.
So if I understand, this is the main page. Summer, so can you please guide me how we can design it to understand easier?
So can we go to the website overview tab?
Okay,
Please.
website overview.
Okay, so you have some acronyms in here like DA, PA, DR. Those things don't make sense to my team. So what is DA? What does
Okay,
DA mean?
DA, its full form is domain authority. Then,
Okay.
yes. so
Can we
domain-
put that in there? I know it works for you, but it's a
Yeah.
report for us. So we need to be able to understand it.
Right. It's a domain authority, it's space authority.
You're
And
doing the work.
also if he make it another section to write in full form, it will be good.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
So I know the domain authority. We have screenshots that, show what that is.
Okay.
But some of those other things, they need a written description. So that's why I was saying if we could get a narrative, I don't know if you know what that means, a written description
Okay.
of the report. So either bullet points, what was accomplished, what still needs to be done, kind of thing.
Got it.
Does that make sense?
Yes, I understand. When he submit to you audit report sheet, then he can make sure that main text he will make it bullet point.
And the screenshots are great. Like I say, I understand them, but
Okay.
my team does not. So if we have a little written paragraph of what that is describing, like we had 10% improvement week over week, or, we had 1,000 more views, or whatever it is, give us some written explanation.
Okay. If I understand this point, when he take the screenshots, then on that screenshot he can write, right? Some text.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or next to it, in a field, and just write me a paragraph of what
Okay.
this shows. Next, Sakib said he wanted Sarah to pay the rest of his invoice. So Sarah asked me to get that summary. So like what has been done already.
Okay.
And of course, I have the summary that I just saw with your 90-day plan. So that's what's going to be done. But I don't have a good grasp. I don't have a good understanding of what has been done already.
Okay.
Because I don't have the explanations kind of in writing.
Okay. We are really apologize for that. But I think after finish our meeting, it will be good. After finish our meeting, Sakib, he will write short overview, what he done.
Yeah.
Then you can write in invoice.
A summary, yeah, what has been done.
Yeah.
And then Sarah can evaluate that and then she can pay the invoice. But
Okay.
she needs to know what work has been done before she can pay.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Someone really appreciate. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Also, thank you so much for clearing everything. We understand, and I hope that upcoming project it will be easier for us.
I hope so too. We'll
Okay.
work through it. Thank you.
Okay. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye, Sakib.
হ্যাঁ